Good day, home buyers! My name is Giselle. Ito ang ating Linea single attached house dito sa Richdale West Residences. May 100 square meters lot area at 77 square meters na floor area. Meron kang provisions for 1 to 2 carport dito sa side. And meron kang 2 meters dito sa likod na pwede mong gawing expansion ng iyong kitchen or laundry area. Let's go! Pasukin natin! Ito ang ating actual turnover na may provisions for your living room, dining area, and kitchen. Okay. Actual turnover ng ating toilet and bath, naka-tiles na yung floor and kalahati po ng ating walls. And meron ka ding toilet and bath dito sa second floor. Provisions for 2 to 3 bedrooms. Ito ang ating Linea single attached house dito sa Richdale West Residences. Again, my name is Josel Bilyote, your trusted real estate partner. Thank you and God bless.